Welcome back, my loves. Today I have a fun little video. It's gonna be super short, but I just got a new bag in, and as you can tell from the title, it is my first Jacquemus bag unboxing, and I'm excited to open it with you guys. So if you're interested in seeing what I got, stay tuned for the video.
Go on, block your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes.
Okay, so this literally just got delivered. I ripped it open, came in this brown box, and I will say, at first glance, nothing too crazy with packaging. It came with some stickers with like toothpaste. Very random, but very on brand for Jacquemus. Oh, it's from Les Splash. So Les Splash is actually their like spring and summer collection they did. So they did different colors for different bags. So I had been very influenced to get this bag, and I will say mostly because every time I scroll on a photo or an outfit inspo like picture, I always see a Jacquemus bag. So I figured I would kind of go on the website, see what was out there, if anything caught my eye, and I guess I never realized how good of a price point Jacquemus was. And I know it's a newer fashion house, it's a younger designer, and I would never have the ability to like see one in person or a store near me. So I figured I would order one, and I did. So this is the one I ordered, and okay, so it doesn't come in a box minus the box that it's in. There's nothing in there, toss it down. And it comes in this dust bag. And I've watched some unboxings already. I knew that like this is kind of how it was gonna be packaged and all of that, but wanted to kind of do it with you guys. So I ended up getting the Le Grand Bambino. And this is one of the Les Splash colors. It is the dark khaki. It's definitely a different texture. It's not the shiny leather and it's not the suede, but it's like a pebbled, almost like suede leather. I'm gonna close up for you guys, hopefully you can see. But something just really drew me to this color. I feel like I have a ton of black bags, and that was actually the first one I was thinking of. And then I was like, maybe I'll get white. And then I'm like, well, I have white bags. So I saw this color and I thought it was just so interesting, and I don't have anything like it. So this is the new bag. And this one was priced at $710 straight from the Jacquemus website. And I always do my research to see if there's like other websites that are selling the bag, if they have any discounts. And I did not see this for less anywhere else than the actual Jacquemus website. What's interesting too is that when I was checking out, I realized, and I'll double check like on my bank statement, but there was no sales tax, and I don't believe there was any customs fees. So I've seen some people say like ordering from the Jacquemus website, you get some customs fees, but I think if you keep your order under like, I think it's $800, you can mitigate that extra cost. So this is how it came. It has a little spacer in there, and then when you open it, it is a magnetic flap. They gave me a little piece to cover it with, and I'm nervous about this leather, guys. I feel like it might be fragile. It has a tag here, but the tag is not on the bag. Is that normal? Okay, let me know if that's normal to have the tag in the bag but not on the bag. And just a very simple inside. It's got like a linen interior, which also makes me a little nervous. And then a like suede little pocket in the back. So you could fit like a couple cards or some cash in there. There's no, oh, there is a pocket in the back, but there's no way I could fit like a phone. I could fit like cash or a card, a driver's license in there, and that is it. I was actually debating between the Grand Bambino and the Bambino Long. I liked that the long one came with a shorter like shoulder strap, but it did not have a top handle. So I definitely liked the top handle aspect of this bag. Does this look crooked to you guys? I don't know if it's just the way it was like being packaged. And then I liked this color, and this color only came in the Le Grand Bambino and Le Bambino, and I think it comes in the big one. There's like a new one they just rolled out, and it was called Le Bambino or something. Oh my gosh, testing my French. I never took French. And then I believe this is the strap. So let's open that. Okay, so the strap is obviously the same leather, thinner and adjustable. It comes with like chunky gold clasps here, just kind of inspecting the quality. I mean, they feel decently heavy, but I compare like everything to like Louis Vuitton and Chanel quality, Saint Laurent as well. I feel like for this price point, I'm not expecting too much, but should still be decent quality and holding up well. So let's see what this looks like on. This strap is a little weird for me. I don't know if I love it. Depends on how it eventually sits on my body. Oh my gosh, it's so hard to clip on. Okay, that side. Oop. And then on this side. So I guess if I was ever gonna get like a suede style, even this isn't like really suede, I don't know how to describe it. You guys ever had a bag like this texture before? Please let me know. So this is with the strap on. I don't really love thin straps on bags. I find them uncomfortable and kind of annoying, but this is what it looks like on. And I really love the gold against this color and the texture. I just thought it was different and just looked really beautiful. And I also brought some stuff to fit in it, see what fits in there for you guys. I haven't obviously used it before, so I figured I would show you right away what kind of fits in the bag. So I brought my phone. This is a iPhone 12 Pro, not the Max, just the regular, and fits right in, tons of space. I also brought a mini pochette. Invite it right in there. I also brought the Chanel card holder. So put it in there. And then potentially my keys might fit. Let's see if this even fits. And my worry is that if it's too full, it won't close. And yeah, it's not gonna close. Okay, let's take out the mini pochette. Move that over and see if my keys will fit in here. So I took out the mini pochette. I mean, I guess that kind of works. Took out the mini pochette and it still closes, but barely. Interesting. Okay, let me take my keys out, put the card holder in here. And yeah, that obviously fits. I guess if I had loose keys, it'd be better fit in here. But I also like really don't carry too much, but if I was running out during the day, I'd want to carry my sunglasses. And so if I sit my sunglasses kind of on the top, will it close? Yeah, I guess it closes. So can't fit so much in here. I mean, if you're only bringing like a card holder and a phone, like that's already taking up a ton of space, but you can definitely lay something on top, like sunglasses right on top. And then, even then it won't close. Oh no, did I get a size too small? Okay, well, I'll have to try it on with stuff, but for the price point, I can see it working for me. We'll see. I mean, this has my phone and my wallet in there. So let's go ahead and try this on and see how it looks sitting on the body. Okay, so this is the bag and how it sits at the, I would say the middle setting here on the chain strap, and on that setting, it also sits like this on the shoulder. You guys can see. Okay, and then I'm gonna adjust it so that it's on its smallest setting. Okay, this is it on its smallest setting, and it's definitely like where it hits. See, the reason why I don't love straps that you can't just adjust as many times as you want, like as small as you want, is because I have a very short torso. So I don't like how most bags sit on me. I feel like it just fits weird, or it looks weird. So I'm okay with this length for a shoulder bag. I think it doesn't look too bad. What do you guys think? I mean, I do feel like most of the time, like even when I carry my capucines, I carry it as like a top handle bag. I just think this color is just so beautiful, and like against my white shirt, can you kind of see like it's almost like a grayish green, like very muted green color, like a mossy sage. So they should have called it like a sage green. It's just really beautiful. So I'm a little upset that it doesn't fit as much as I thought it was going to. And this is the issue with bags and fashion houses that you can't find in store. And I would never order something that I didn't know I was gonna love. But there's no way for me to try this on in store. So I don't know. I mean, I'm gonna see like how I can rework it with maybe different wall items. I think I'll probably end up keeping this. Just a really cute color for the spring and summer. But I'm slightly disappointed it doesn't fit as much. So let me know your guys' thoughts. Do you have a Jacquemus store in your city? Do they have stores here in the US? I just think it's still a beautiful bag. In my mind, it was bigger. And I do kind of wish that it had a shoulder strap capability. I wonder if I can make that work. No, but it doesn't sit too bad. It's definitely different, and it's cute, and it can be dressy or casual, which I really like wearing this with like a black dress, and also wearing it with like athleisure, I think would look really cute. And then even with the outfit I'm wearing now, like I think it still looks good. So what do you guys think? I think the bag color is really cute. I love the look of it. The price point is awesome. I do wish it would hold a little bit more, but honestly, compared to like my mini capucines, it probably holds a tiny bit more, and I wear that bag a ton. And I just thought it was a really, really cute color, really great price point. And you know, Instagram finally got me. So let me know your thoughts. Let me know your thoughts on the brand itself. Let me know if you have a store near you that you were able to even like try this on or see it in person. I think that was like the hardest part, was like you picture the bag being a certain way until you have it, and then you can see like, okay, maybe it doesn't fit that much. But I still think it's stunning, and I will keep you guys posted. So as always, if you have any questions, if you want me to fit some other stuff in here for you and you're looking at this bag, send me a message on Instagram @Decor and Designer. I'm super responsive on there. But until next time, love you guys.